I am officially out of a job and I only had a small amount of money saved up, but I'm still traveling and one passive income stream has helped me through it all. Print on demand. So print on demand in a nutshell basically just means that I make designs for clothing and accessories such as mugs, socks and masks and what have you, and when those designs are sold I get a cut of that sale. That also means I don't have to worry about stock or shipping or any of those things. I just upload the design and I wait for that sweet sale. At this point you may be thinking, well gringo, that's all pretty cool, but I'm not a designer. Well, guess what? Good news, neither am I. In fact, I absolutely suck at Photoshop, but I'll talk a little about the design process later in this video. I started doing this exactly a year ago thanks to my good friend Nicki, who also has a travel channel. It's called Nicki Posts Travel Stuff, and she has absolutely been killing it in the last month, so I want to leave a link down below so you can go check out her channel as well. And if this is your first time watching my channel, I am Gringo and I want to help you find your freedom through travel so that you too can live your ultimate adventure. So it all started around this time last year when I created my shop on a website called TeePublic, and during Christmas 2020, after just a few designs up, I made $86.50. I also started posting on a similar website called Redbubble. In fact, they have the same owners, and in that same month, Christmas 2020, I made $21.50 on Redbubble. So in total, last year during Christmas, I made $108, and that was enough to motivate me to keep going with this. Since then, I've basically just been making my designs at my own pace. Some days I'll make 5, some days I'll make 10. I've gone literally like months without making one single design. I currently have 229 designs up on TeePublic, which is like my main shop, and if you divide that by 365, the days in a year, it basically comes out to one design every 2 days. And considering sometimes they take like 10 minutes to create and upload, it's really not a lot of work at all. I only post my best sellers from TeePublic onto Redbubble, so currently I have 72 designs up on Redbubble. So how do I make these designs? And by the way, this is not a sponsored video in any way. I kind of wish it was, but it's not. I use a fantastic website called CANVA. I do pay for their pro version, which cost $120 a year. So I had paid off that whole year of Canva in just about 2 months of print on demand. I also use Canva for making my YouTube videos and thumbnails, so it really was a worthwhile investment for me. And Canva is pretty much just like Photoshop for dummies. It's really easy to pick up. Oftentimes a design can be a simple sentence just like this. So I had this brilliant idea, I slapped it on a t-shirt, and I've sold it 6 times since then. So I've made at least $12 from this design alone. You can also legally use the drawings from Canva Pro on your designs because you're paying for them. In this case, I literally just took a drawing of a sneaker and wrote pumped up kicks around it. This one hasn't sold as well. I've sold it 3 times in the past year, but nonetheless it has sold because some other designs haven't sold at all. Okay, so that leads me into the copyright factor. This design is clearly based on a Foster the People song, so the band does have the right to contact TeePublic and get my design taken down. That does happen frequently with me because a lot of my designs are based on pop culture. They're often parodies of films or series, or they might be song lyrics or things like that. You basically just have to accept it, go with the flow, and keep on creating, and it's very important to not re-upload something that has already been taken down or you can get your account terminated. In this case, with the Foster the People design, it still hasn't been taken down. Sometimes that happens too, and I'm guessing it's because I didn't use the band name or anything, so it's still up and selling. So now that you understand how it all works, let me walk you through the good stuff, which is how much I made on TeePublic and Redbubble in the past year. At the time of shooting this video, on TeePublic, which is my main shop, I have made $2,365 in the last year. That averages to about $200 every month. And over on Redbubble, as you can see, I've made $1,130 total in the past year. And as I mentioned, last December I made $21.50. The figures got a little higher up until March. And then between April and let's see, May, June, July kind of went down. And then from then on, it just skyrocketed. 125 in August, 198 in September, and 331 in October. I'm expecting November and December to be just as much as October, if not more. So now I'm traveling through the south of Brazil, as you might have noticed from all the sweating I'm doing in this video. And although those averages might not seem like a lot for someone that lives in the US potentially, that amount of money can get you pretty far in other countries such as Brazil. For example, I'm staying in this very cute and cozy studio Airbnb this month here in the south of Brazil, and it's costing me $400 a month. Ooh, had to move away from that window upstairs because it was getting a little too hot. Anyways, considering I'm gonna be making at least $550 this month because sales do go up a lot around Christmas time, surprise, it's currently paying for my rent and other expenses here in Brazil. So that's giving me the time to relax and enjoy this holiday season here in Brazil with my friends and family and reflect on what my next moves in life are gonna be. If you want to start your own TeePublic shop or sign up for Canva Pro and this video has been helpful to you somehow, please support this channel by using the affiliate link that I've left in the description. In this video here, I open up my wallet to you and I explain to you exactly how I manage to fund my travels around the world. So just click here and follow me on to the next video. I'll see you over there in 3, 2, 1.